Hello viewers and welcome once again to the Home of Beautiful Cars. My name is Christos and I'm the owner of the Home of Beautiful Cars, and I have with us today the car that Enzo Ferrari described as the most beautiful ever made. I think I agree with Mr. Ferrari, it's truly spectacular. It is a 1969 model Jaguar E-Type Series II 4.2 manual in world-class condition, completely restored by the world-famous Le Mans winning Grand Prix driver with no expense spared. This car presents like new, has got the Jaguar Heritage Certificate stating that it is matching numbers and the original heritage colour of Willow Green. This car is only for the astute collector, investor and connoisseur of the world's finest automobiles. Only at the Home of Beautiful Cars.